I'm with Masha and Dasha. My name is like something like it.
Pasha.
Pasha. I'm like Pasha, Masha and Dasha.
This island was being created by the big ice. Maybe you read something about it.
No.
Big ice go in the White Sea,
Mm-hmm.
and here on this island located under the island located a big warm. Как это называется? Geothermality activity,
Mm-hmm.
and because of it.
Today it's 14th of July, and if you see, it's not even 5 in the morning, and it's like so sunny outside. This is my bed. Like in Solovetsky, I happened to spend the most amount of money. I've already spent around 10,000 in just 3 days. So I was living in a hotel, but that was around 2,500 per night. So I switched to a hostel. It's just 450 per night, and like there is nobody in the dormitory. So yeah, I have a personal room sort of, and I'm preparing my breakfast. I bought some stuff from the market. I'll have breakfast, have a bath, and today I have a boat back to Kem. From Kem I go to Murmansk. So it's 7 in the morning. I woke up at 5, just packed my stuff, had a shower, and I have been here for 2 days, but I had not visited the main attraction in Solovetsky Island. I've just walked past it. So today I'm going to visit the monastery. So yeah, let's go. So there's going to be some sort of festival here. It starts at 2 and right now it's 11. I have 3 hours. I've taken a bicycle again and I'll be going to the system of lakes. They said I have to go this way for around 3 kilometers. I was going on this road like this track, and I saw a lake, so I just stopped to sit here for some time. 5 kilometers from my home, और मुझे लगता है कि उसके बाद मैंने कभी इतना साइकिल नहीं चलाया. So the place where I wanted to go, that is still 20 minutes away, so I'll not be going there. I'm starting my way back to the village. And this seems like an interesting place, so I'm just gonna go and see what's there. Like, I haven't asked the people, are there any wild animals here? But I hope there are none. Somebody was here. Ooh, nice. So I have reached Kem, and now I'll take a taxi, go to the station. I have a train in 4 hours. When you come to Kem, you have a smaller boat. Like when I went from Beluga, it was a bigger boat. This takes 2 hours. So the port is like 12 kilometers from the railway station. You have to take a cab, and it's like 300 rupiah. And I just have around 400. So I'll look for an ATM or something, because banks will be closed. And I have a 10-hour journey in the train. Then I can get the money exchange in Murmansk, but I need to eat some food as well. So I'll see if there's some shop which can use card. That will be good. It's midnight, 12, and it's a white night. So here in these months, it's a white night. I have a train in another 50 minutes. It should come here, and then the journey is for 10 hours. I go to Murmansk. And I still have to figure out how I come back from Murmansk, like how I come from Murmansk to Moscow. Maybe by air, because the cost is similar. Like the flight is also 4,000, 5,000, and the train is also the same price. So I'll take a flight, obviously, but I have to book it. So yeah.